just wanted to go back to fiscal stimulus for a second. We just had a $900 billion package, and now Congress is talking about doing more. Do you expect more aid directly to consumers to be inflationary? And specifically, how worried should lawmakers be about, causing concerning levels of inflation?
I would say that, again, we have been struggling with disinflationary forces for some time. If you look around the world, look in Western Europe, look at Japan, around the world, large economies have felt much more downward pressure on inflation, have fallen short of their inflation goals for some time now. That is the broad global macroeconomic context that we all live in. And we believe that those global forces, which are aging demographics, advancing technology, and globalization, those forces are still in effect. Now, they may slow down, and it's an interesting question, the extent to which, for example, globalization may slow down or even reverse. Notwithstanding that, inflation dynamics in the United States have consisted of a flat Phillips curve and low persistence for a long time. We do not expect in the near term that will change significantly. It may evolve over time, but significant time. These things are changing, but they don't change at a rapid rate, and I don't believe that they will. So I'm much more worried about falling short of a complete recovery and losing people's careers and lives that they built because they don't get to back to work in time and things like that. I'm more concerned about that and the damage that will do not just to their lives but to the United States economy, to the productive capacity of the economy. I'm more concerned about that than about the possibility, which exists, of higher inflation. Frankly, we'd welcome slightly higher inflation, somewhat higher inflation. The kind of troubling inflation that people like me grew up with seems far away and unlikely in the both domestic and global context that we've been in for some time.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.